welcome back to my channel. Would you look at me? I cannot believe it. It is currently 11 o'clock on a Sunday morning and I'm sat here full glam, ready. Like, who is she? Honestly, I don't know when the last time was that I came on YouTube full glam. I actually couldn't tell you because I don't really like doing my full face for just sit down videos anymore because it's just not me, and I'll only ever do this if I've got like loads and loads of content to do, which I have today because it is like Black Friday / Cyber weekend. So yeah, I've got so much content that needs to be done, so that is why I've just thought, well, I may as well just do a full face. And yeah, that's why I'm sat here now with a full face, and I'm actually like, I've actually got my life together. Who would have thought it? But yeah, anyway, that is why I'm looking like this. It's actually quite nice to sit here and have a face on because, like I said, I can't remember the last time I actually had my makeup done full like this in a video. But anyway, yeah, we are here today because I have got a unboxing video for you guys, and honestly, when I tell you, I'm super excited for this. You are not ready. Like, you are not ready. You would have seen by the thumbnail, but honestly, I'm obsessed. I'm absolutely obsessed. Enough of me rambling. I'm gonna get straight on into it. If you do enjoy, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you go follow me over on my Instagram and my TikTok. And without further ado, let's get on into the video. So, as you would have seen, this is an unboxing video. I'm collaborating with Coeebags again on this video. I love these guys so much. I'll link everything in the description down below. I'll link these products and I'll link the website and everything like that. I have a discount code as well, so I'll display that on the screen for you guys so you can use that if you do want to purchase anything, because I know I would. But yeah, thank you so much to Coeebags for collaborating with me. They kindly sent these items out to me, and yeah, I'm super excited. So yeah, let's just start. So I'm gonna start with the littlest thing first. So here I've got a little Louis Vuitton bag, as you can see. So I'm gonna just open it up, and inside we have got a little keychain. Now, I have wanted one of these for ages, and I've just never got one, but I saw these on the website and I was just like, wow, I'm obsessed. And me and Sam have recently moved into our house. I just want my car keys, house keys, looking snazzy and nice, so that is why I chose this. And how bloody gorgeous is this? So this is a Louis Vuitton keychain. I love the colour. It's in a pink colour and it's got like the Louis Vuitton logos. Also says Louis Vuitton there on the gold. It's a little gold keychain. Yeah, I am just obsessed. It is so nice, so I cannot wait to put that on my keys because my key's gonna be looking bougie now, and I'm so happy about it. I love also on the keyring there, if you can see, it actually says Louis Vuitton too, if it's gonna focus. There we go. It actually says Louis Vuitton on the actual, what are these called? I don't actually know what they're called. But anyway, it says Louis Vuitton on it, and it's just the added detail that goes into all of these products that I'm absolutely obsessed with. It also says on the back the code, and it says made in Italy as well. I'm super excited to put this on my house keys and my car keys. Can't wait. And then the thing that we're all waiting for, because honestly, I don't think like anyone's ready for these, because I certainly wasn't when I opened this package. So here is the box. It is a little bit battered, as you can see, but I didn't care as long as my product inside was fine, which it was. I was happy. So yeah, this is the box. Just looks like so, as you can see. It says Prada on it. I don't think I've ever owned anything Prada, actually. I don't think I've got anything Prada. Oh, actually, that's a lie. For my birthday, my best friends got me the Prada perfume, and it smells incredible. So that is literally it. I don't own any like bags or anything like that Prada. So yeah, this is my first like fashion piece. I've got the perfume, but this is my first like item of clothing slash shoes. But yeah, here we are, and I'm super excited. Oh my god. So I'm gonna open the box. The thing is upside down. Let's turn it around. So as you can see, here is what the box looks like. It actually smells really nice, you know. I don't know why. Don't know if like it's my perfume on it or what, but it smells really good. So as you can see, the tissue paper says Prada. It's got the Prada logo on it there. I love this colour, by the way. I love the blue. It's gorgeous. I really want to get the blue Prada book because I think that looks incredible, and it's such a me colour, like that really nice baby blue. I just love it. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. You do get a dust bag, which is here, as you can see, and it just has a little Prada logo there. Got like little threads, but that's okay. Really normally use the bags. Don't know if this is what a Prada dust bag looks like. I would have thought that it would have had the Prada Milano like logo like this on there, but I'm not sure. But anyway, I don't really use the dust bags too much. So let's open this up and see what is inside. Ah, my god. Oh, I am literally obsessed with these boots. I honestly didn't think I was gonna love them as much as I do, but when I say I'm obsessed, I am fully obsessed. So I got my hands on the Prada boots, the famous Prada boots. How incredible are these? Like, honestly, they are sick. I love them so much. They are perfect for this time of year. Like, just the details. Like, these are incredible. They fit so nicely. Already tried them on. Already strutted around the house in them because I just had to. These are my Winter Wonderland shoes. I am going to be wearing these to Winter Wonderland in a few weekends time. And I just know I'm going to be fine because I have strolled around the house and they are so comfy. Like, honestly, so comfy. And you wouldn't think that they would be because they're a chunky boot. They're not heavy. They don't feel like too heavy on your feet. And yeah, I just can't rave about them enough. Like, oh, just look at them. They're just insane. So you've got the little Prada famous like bag on the side, which is perfect for chewing gum, your little lip balm maybe in the side there. I don't know if I will use it. I probably won't, to be fair, but if you need like a little pocket, if you're only taking out like a little handbag that doesn't fit everything in, then that is perfect for like some chewing gum, a lip balm. You're good to go. But yeah, I love the detail of the little bag on the side. I think they look sick. So yeah, this is what the shoe looks like. I didn't go for the shiny one. I just went for, I don't actually know what this one is, but you can get the patent like shiny shoe. These obviously do look a little bit shiny, but they're not like the patent style. Then they've got obviously the laces. The buckle comes undone, so you can obviously get your foot in, untie your laces, get your foot in, and then tie them back up, and obviously do the buckle back up. This is what the back looks like. It has Prada there. I love the chunkiness of the boots as well. Oh, these are just insane. So I am a size 4 and I got these in a 37 and these fit me perfectly. I think that's a US or an EU. No, it's an EU 37 and I'm a size UK 4, and yeah, these fit me absolutely amazingly. Like, not snug, not tight, not too big either. Absolutely perfect. Yeah, these are just insane. So this is what the bottom looks like. Honestly, these look legit. Like, these look like the real thing, and I cannot get over the quality. I know I keep saying that, but honestly, the quality is amazing. I just can't get over it, and I just know I am going to be living in these this winter because they're just so nice, so comfy. That is the right foot, and then here is the left foot. No, I said it the wrong way around. So here is the other shoe. Oh, do not get makeup on them, Ellie. See, this is the only thing. Well, now I've got glam on my face. Like, I've just got to be careful with clothes and everything. I'm not used to it. But yeah, here are the gorgeous boots. Like, some people aren't into chunky boots, and that's absolutely fine, but I love a good chunky boot, especially this time of year. And yeah, these are the perfect like ankle chunky boot. So if you haven't already got your hands on some of these, then definitely do, because oh my god, I'm actually speechless. Like, I know I keep chatting shit, but I'm actually speechless on how amazing these are. I just love them. I love them so much, and I can't wait to wear them out. I actually can't wait. I'm going to Winter Wonderland on the 17th of December, and you bet I'll be wearing these. Yeah, that is the boots. You also do get like the little authenticity card in there. You get like the little bits of paperwork that would hold your receipts in. Here's the little authenticity like card that you get inside the parcel, which obviously you'd get with your real pair of Prada boots. But honestly, we all know I have fake designer items over here, because what is the point on splurging money on the real thing? Like, let me actually have a look how much these boots are. So on the Coeebags website, these are classed as the Prada 2020s boots, and then in brackets it says not shiny version. I'll put the screenshot on the screen here. And these are, let me just change it to Great British Pounds. So these are £206. Like, for these boots, that is incredible. £206, 86 pence is what you'd pay for these boots on the Coeebags website. So these exact boots that I have here in my possession, that are incredible. Like, I cannot see a fault in these at all. Like, they are that incredible. And then let's have a quick look at the real version. I have a feeling that they're like 1.5k or something like that. I wasn't far off. They're 1.3k on the Prada website. £1,300. Now, I don't know about you, but I would not spend that money on shoes, because shoes, they get worn outside, they get worn in all types of weather, especially boots like this. You're gonna wear them in snow, rain, like wind, fog, whatever, hail, and you're wearing them on the ground, and they get ruined, they get worn, and over time, why would you spend £1,300 when you can spend £200 to get the exact same thing near enough? It's just not the real thing. Like, I don't know. I know like some people really do like their designer items, and that's absolutely fine. You do you and I'll do me, but I just would not spend that money on some shoes. I don't think even if I had that money to spend on shoes, I would spend it, if you get me. That is a crazy price to pay for some shoes, I think, personally. But if you want to spend your money on the real thing, then yeah, that's fine, that's absolutely fine. But then you can't judge people for spending their money on fakes or like replicas, because they just can't afford that real thing, but then they still want that style and they still want that item. Like, I have never got the stigma around it. Why can't you have replica things? Like, what is... It really doesn't matter if it's fake. Like, I don't see someone in the street and go, oh my god, she's got a fake Louis bag, because like, I wouldn't know, if I'm honest. Like, I wouldn't know at all, because most of these fakes nowadays are incredible. These ones are way more affordable than the real thing. Like, that is a massive price like jump. So £200 to £1,300, it's just mad. Absolutely mad. So that is it for this video. I really do hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much to Coeebags for my boots and my little keyring. I am obsessed. I have said obsessed in this video way too much. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you go follow me over on my Instagram and my TikTok, because I will be styling these pieces over there. So yeah, please make sure you go follow me over there. There'll be lots of content coming in these amazing boots. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time for a brand new video. Bye.
Tell me why you wanna sell yourself a lie, 'cause in the end you'll realize it's gonna leave you cold.